Today I'm going to show you how to use the outline view in Microsoft Word. Okay, so the first thing you want to know is if you're not seeing the view or the outline view here, you can go into File, down to Options, look for Customize Ribbon, and look for it on the left-hand side. You'll be looking for Outline. Okay, so under View, you're going to Views, and you'll see Outline. Once you have selected Outline on the left side, you will click on it, say perhaps like that, click on Add, and it'll be added in over here. Now, once we're in View, we can now see that there's Outline. Go ahead, click on Outline, and you're now in the Outline view. Now, what you can do here is Show Level, so we can just say All Levels. We can also say Show Text Formatting. You can toggle this on and off. Now, what you'll see here is the different levels of lines that you're writing. So level 1 will be perhaps a title. Hit enter and you can make another title. But if you don't want to make another title, you'd like to make it level 2, go ahead and select level 2, or just go ahead and use these arrows. So let's say over here you would like to make it a subtitle. Go ahead, type it out, hit enter. Now you can see here that there are 2 body texts, so we can actually just erase that if we don't want it. But ultimately, on this line, you can choose what you would like it to be. So let's say we want our third one not to be a subtitle, but a heading. And then, if we would like to thereafter make the next line just body text, we can do that right over there. So this is now body text. You are now seeing this in an outline view. You can also click on Show Document. So here you can actually insert. So let's say you have a document that you've already created. You'd like to just insert it here without having to essentially build it yourself like what we're doing now. You can add it in there and then you can merge or split the document. Once you're done, you can go Close Outline View. You now have this. You can save it as a master template and reuse it in the future without having to type it out again.